Hey guys, what is up? It's Karan this side, and you're watching the Coffee Addict Trader. In this video, we're going to discuss about NCAD long setup. I'm currently looking at NCAD, and it looks like a really good long setup. So let's try to validate this using high time frames. In monthly time frame, I can spot a really clean area of support from where price rejected multiple times in the past. We managed to close below over here, and then we again regained, and right now we are testing this from the upside, and we can see some good rejection this month. We still have 13 days left for the monthly candle to close. It's possible that the monthly candle will close a little more bullish. In weekly time frame, it is actually a little confusing. I can spot a really tight range in weekly time frame. Overall, we're just stuck inside this range, but if I just focus on the recent structure, I can spot a flip at around this level. Price managed to close above, then close below. Like rejected this multiple times, this area, and then we are again above it, and we are retesting this from the upside, and it's possible that we're going to see some continuation from this level. But the problem here is that the weekly candle, we have only 4 hours left for the weekly candle to close. And if the weekly candle close like this, in that case, for the next week, my weekly bias is going to be bearish because we are failing to close above the previous weekly high. And it's possible that we're going to see some deeper correction into the zone and then a continuation towards upside. But let's see what's going on in daily time frame. In daily time frame, the first thing I can spot, okay, this weekly level, this weekly zone is actually perfectly lining up with the monthly support, so I'm just removing it. In daily time frame, the first thing I can spot is the breakout structure. This one, this is a strong one. We managed to close above this highs, and right now we are correcting back lower, and it's possible that we're going to see some continuation towards upside. If we drop off Fibonacci on this impulsive move, then I can see we're getting some good rejections from 38.2, and we already swept the previous daily low. So it's possible that we're going to see some continuation towards upside. I can also spot a multi-rejection zone at around this level. We rejected from this zone multiple times in the past, here, and then we managed to close above, reject this level here, and again we are trying to reject this level from this kind of price. So it's possible that we're gonna, if price actually managed to close above here, in that case it's possible that we're gonna see some good continuation towards upside. Overall things are lining up, but the weekly candle is not lining up at all. uh let's see what's going on in 4 hour perspective. In 4 hour perspective, this is the last impulsive move I can spot. We swept this low and then created a clean breakout structure towards upside here, and right now we're getting some good rejection from this demand zone. If we try to refine this, okay, this is getting too messy. Let me clear this out. Okay, if we try to refine this zone, then this is the last drop towards downside, close to close, and we're getting some good rejection from this. So what's my plan? I'm planning for a long here, even though I'm not actually allowed to take trades inside the zone. It's always better to wait for the price to close above again. We missed it at 6:30 during the pre-invitation, but we can actually take a trade at around this level. This area is perfectly lining up with 50 EMA. In daily time frame, we are bouncing from 50 EMA, so it looks like a really high probability setup overall. uh, but I will not like rate this as a plus, because the weekly time frame is definitely not lining up. If the weekly candle managed to close like this, in that case it's highly possible that we're going to see some deeper correction downside on the next week. NZD is also too much extended towards upside, and it's possible that we're going to see some deeper correction in NZD USD. If something like that happen, in that case it's possible that we're going to see some deeper correction in NCAD too. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place a order. I'm not gonna risk like it's the E plus one, but I'm gonna definitely get involved into this trade. And if I just measure the move here, then I can target for this level and this level, or the B2 and this between them. So what I'm planning for? I'm just planning for a 1:3 at around this level. So yeah, let's see how it unfolds. I'm gonna punch a order right now, uh and hopefully it plays out good. If not, it's completely fine. So see you soon on the next session, guys. Have a great day.